Ronkè, and today I'm going to teach you some hip hop foundations. So we're going to jump and you're going to switch your legs. So you're going to jump, you're going to have a little bend in your knee, and you're going to lean to whichever side you're on. And you're going to switch sides and lean. Switch, lean. Switch, lean. Faster. Yeah, and you can add some arms as well. You can do lean, lean, lean. You can do hands here, lean, anything you want. But yeah, okay, from the back. So we're gonna jump, lean, jump, lean, 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 yeah? Fast, fast, fast. Let's slow first. So you can change the arms. Should I talk on, who cares? You can do anything, okay? So you can do this, you can do this, I'll show you. So I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna do this and this. 5, 6, 5, 6. No hands first. Slow, go slower. Then arms. Anything. Yeah, you can touch yourself. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump, little bend in the knee, gonna lean to the side. Stay where you are and switch, lean to the side. Stay where you are, switch, lean, and lean, and lean, and lean, and lean, and da, 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 da. Okay, let's do ATL, ATL stomp, yeah? This one literally is gonna tap the air, kick the air. 1, 2, and land, and jump. Other side, kick, kick, da, 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 kick, kick, da. Now you can also add directions. You can do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, da, 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 da. Arms can be anything. You can do dust, dust, dust. You can even land like this. You can do whatever you want with your arm, basically. You can do shake, shake, or even stay here if you want to. Up to you. So do your own hands, I don't mind. So let's try again. 5, 6. We're gonna do 4 with just the kicks to the side. Then we're gonna do 4 crossing, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Nice. So this next one is called the Gucci, which you might know as the Reebok. It was actually the Gucci. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna rock to the side. So you're gonna rock, 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 and then you're gonna jump. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So keep rocking, keep rocking. Hey. Now you can add anything. You can just dust now. Think of it as you have Gucci clothing. You're trying to like showcase your outfits, whatever it is. So you're showcasing it. So you can change your arms now to like a dust, dust. You can do whatever, okay? 5, dust, 7, 8, and dust, and dust. Dust level, and dust. Anything, throw, anything, anything, Yeah, like I like it showing off. You know, like, oof. Yeah. That's that done. Okay, let's do something else that's simple, which is very, very simple, the bounce. This is the basic of all basics, okay? So, you're gonna have your feet apart, a little bit, shoulder width apart. You're gonna just bend your knees, literally. But obviously not like that. So you're gonna bend up, bend up, bend up, bend up. So, you're gonna have your knees bent. You're gonna go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, da, 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 da. That's the movement. You can literally bounce anywhere. You can go to the side, 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 side. Does that make sense? You can add arms as well as you're bouncing. Just grooving to the music. And bounce, but center, 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 side again, side, 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 side. You can even stop as well. We're gonna do side, middle, side, middle, side, middle. Forward, forward, middle, forward, middle. And back, 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 center, just bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah, okay, enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next hip hop tutorial.